All right, guys, check it out. I'm inside my monetization manager inside of my Facebook account. What you're looking at right now is the past 3 days from March 17 to March 19, $1,380 in estimated revenue and 560,000 impressions. That means basically impressions on the ads inside of Facebook. And this is typically what I'm able to do with Facebook Instant Articles. And you guys continue to ask me, is it possible to make money with Facebook Instant Articles? And here's the answer. Yes, it is possible. Yes, you can still make money with Facebook Instant Articles, but it's not something that you can do overnight. It took me over 1 year to be able to have Facebook pages with over 100,000 followers and being able to generate a lot of traffic to be able to make this type of money. So it's not like you set it up and in the next 3 days you're going to be making this type of money. But I wanted to show you what is possible with Facebook Instant Articles. All right, so you see how much money I'm able to make with Facebook Instant Articles, and that's just in a matter of 3 days. Typically, I'm able to make between $300 to $500 per day with Facebook Instant Articles, and those are about 2 blogs that are inside of that account. I also have another blog in a separate account that also uses Facebook Instant Articles. So I've been setting up these blogs to make money with Facebook Instant Articles. And a lot of you have asked me, how exactly do you set up Facebook Instant Articles? How do you make money with Facebook Instant Articles? So this video is just designed for you guys. I'm not going to go into the details per se on how to set up a blog or any of that, because that will take a lot of time and this will make this video like 3 hours long. So I'm just going to give you the breakdown of the steps and point you and actually give you the links and show you where to go so you can do it yourself. And this is something that you can do yourself. You can do it in a matter of a few hours and just doing a little research on Google and YouTube, and that should be enough to get you set up with Facebook Instant Articles. So let's do that right now. All right, guys, so what I'm going to do in this video is just break down the process, the steps on how to set up Facebook Instance from the beginning to end. So that means I'm going to give you all the steps that you need so you can follow them in the proper order. So step number 1 is you need to set up a Facebook page. Now, if you already have a Facebook page with 5,000, 10,000 likes or more, then you can probably skip this part because you already have an audience. All you need is to set up a blog and actually start generating traffic and sharing your content on your Facebook page. But if you don't have a Facebook page, this is the first step. This is the very first step that you need to do, which is setting up a Facebook page around a specific topic or niche. So you can talk about politics, sports, whatever niche or topic you want to talk about on that Facebook page, you can do that. Make sure that you pick something that has content. So that means that you can get content on a daily or weekly basis so you can share on Facebook. Because if you're choosing a topic that there's not a lot of content out there, that is really difficult to find news and information on that specific topic, then you're going to have a hard time creating content for your blog and you're going to make less money with Facebook Instant. Now, once you have that Facebook page, the next step is to grow that page to 10,000 followers or more in less than 60 days. And you can do it in a week if you want to. It just depends on your budget because we're going to be using Facebook ads to do this. Now, if you want to watch my Facebook ads for beginners tutorials, I do have a few videos that I can break down exactly how to set up an ad inside of Facebook, and it shows you what to do and how to do it depending on your budget. So if you have a budget of $100, $200 or more, you can probably get to 10,000 followers pretty fast. But the reason why you want to have 10,000 followers is because you're more likely to get approved for Facebook Instant Articles if you already have an audience that's growing every single day and it's actually engaging with your content. Now, while your page is actually growing, you need to post daily content on that page. What do I mean by that? You can use memes, you can use videos, you can use pictures, but everything has to be related to that specific topic. So if you have a page that talks about politics, then you can use memes and you can use videos related to actually politics, so you can post it on your Facebook page. That's going to help you create that engagement. That's going to show Facebook that you have an active audience, and actually you'll have more chances of getting approved for Facebook Instant Articles. So let's say you have all that. Let's say you have 10,000 followers. You're posting content daily on your Facebook page, you're getting engagement, and it's been 30 days. After that, you can set up your WordPress blog. And again, I'm gonna post the link in the description of this video. If you want to see what type of hosting I use, how do I set up my WordPress blogs, you'll find the links in the description of this video, so you can do the exact same thing. But once you do that, you can set up your WordPress blogs. It's pretty simple to do, guys. Anyone can do it. It takes less than an hour to set up a WordPress blog. There's a ton of YouTube videos that shows you how to do it, but in most cases it's a one-click WordPress install. So that means that if you use Bluehost, which is the one that I use, you can just go on Bluehost, sign up, get a free domain name. Then you can get a one-click WordPress install on that free domain name that you got, and the web hosting fees is about $10 per month or less. So once you have your blog set up, the next step is to start creating content for your blog. You might want to publish at least 30 or 35 new articles on that new blog in the first 30 days. That's because you want to get as much traffic as you can, and also you want to show Facebook that you have a real blog that's getting new content posted on a daily basis. And most likely they want to see that. They want to see that it's a real blog, that people are actually visiting that blog, and most likely you're posting on a daily basis, which shows them that it's not a dead blog. The more that you post, the better. The more content you have on your blog, the more likely you are to get approved for Facebook Instant Articles. Now, they won't actually approve you. You do have to go through an approval process for Facebook Instant Articles, but they won't actually approve you unless you have some traffic going to your website. What does that mean exactly? I would say about 100 visitors a day. So what you want to do is, once you have that Facebook page to 10,000 followers, then you can set up your blog. And once you set up your blog, then you can start sharing the content that's being published on that blog on your Facebook page to help you get to 100 visitors a day. Because if it's a brand new blog that has 0 visitors, Facebook will not approve you for Facebook Instant Articles. Trust me, I've been through that path. I know what I'm talking about. You do need some traffic. If you're not getting approved with 100 visitors, you might need more. And if you need more, you can use Facebook ads to boost your posts and actually send more traffic to your blog until you get approved. So once you apply for Facebook Instant Articles and you have more than 100 visitors a day, you have 10,000 followers on Facebook for your Facebook page, the next step is to start creating content for your blog. Now, every single post that you create on your blog, and when you share that post on Facebook, it's going to be automatically transformed into an instant article on Facebook. So that means Facebook will actually place ads inside of that content. You're gonna make money per impression. So that means every time someone actually sees one of those ads inside of your content, you're gonna make money. So the more you post on your blog and share on your Facebook page on a daily basis, the more money you can make, the more impressions that you can actually make from your content. So the more traffic you get, the more money you'll make. Once you get to a level when you start making, $40, $50, $100 per day inside of Facebook Instant Articles, what you can do is you can start hiring people to create the content for you. You can start increasing the amount of content being shared daily, so you can post, 5, 6, 10 new pieces of content every single day on your blog, and that's going to give you more traffic and help you make more money. Now, if you want to keep growing and actually increasing your traffic over time to a point where you get 500,000 likes or close to 1 million likes on your Facebook pages, what you want to do is just continue to post daily. Use videos. Videos work really well to get you to grow your Facebook page. Content like memes, things that people like to share on Facebook. The more shares you get, the more engagement you get on Facebook, the more traffic you'll be able to get from the content that you share from your blog. So that means you're going to be able to make more money. Now, once you have this process in place with one page, you can replicate it to another niche, and you can have multiple pages, multiple Facebook pages, just like I did in the beginning. And in a matter of 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 3 years, you can have 4, 5, 6 Facebook pages with different blogs, all making you money with Facebook Instant Articles. And this could be a really nice 6-figure income or more, depending on how many pages you have, how many blogs you have, and how much traffic you're getting. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week with the intention of helping you guys make more money online. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.